Look at this awesome spot we found. Right on a lake. We are in Mississippi.
In the middle of the day. Sorry. What are we doing?
We are, well, I want to tell you guys about this place. We are near Prentiss. P-R-E-T-I-S-S. Prentiss. There's an N in there?
I think so.
Okay. And we were originally headed to a trailhead there. And we ended up getting to the trailhead, and we didn't know much about it, just that people had stayed there. And we decided we didn't want to stay there, and this was our second option, this campground we saw on the map. And
Prentiss is a pretty small town. There's not much there anymore, like a lot of small towns across the country. But 2.5 miles away is this campground. It's like a fish and wildlife campground, and we got here on the weekend, and it was like there's 12 spots here, and half were empty. Real quiet, and but the trail head 2.5 miles away from here, it's the Longleaf Trace, which is I think the longest rail trail in Mississippi, or one of them.
Yeah, I think it's 43 miles, and it's paved. It's a really nice trail, rail to trail. We had no idea it was here.
Yeah, so we've been here a few days, done some riding on it and some running on it.
Yeah, this campground, you can ride from this campground to it connects to the trail,
which we've done, but not without the trailers and pistol, because obviously the Longleaf Trace, the rail trail, is fairly flat. I mean, there's some grades on it, but from the campground to there's a 10, a 12, and a 15% hills,
which is a challenge by myself. But today
we're gonna try to take pistol and the Burley Nomad to run. We can hit the trail. The trail's like 1.5 miles from here, and then it's a couple miles to town, and there's a little grocery store there, so we're going to get some groceries, put them in the trailer, and then we're going to see how we do with the trailers and the weight on the hills.
Oh, I'm surely I'm gonna have to get out and push. But
I wanted to mention that our favorite way to travel is not to make reservations and not to really plan. It's difficult in Florida, as most of you know if you've been there. When you get off the beaten path, like off a back road in Mississippi and a small town, and you get a small campground like this, that I mean, to me, there's these hidden gems out there.
Yeah, and that's how we like to travel.
I enjoy that type of travel, and there's some risk to it. Sometimes you wind up at a Walmart or Cracker Barrel, but we looked at the different apps, like the iOverlander app. She found that people had spent the night at the trailhead in town quite a few times with no problems, and it seems like it's okay. We didn't feel it, so that was an option. Then this was the next option, and we had another option after this. So we came here and loved it, and I would come back here and spend a week.
For sure.
I would get a fishing license. The first day we got here, someone caught a 14-pound bass in this lake. So it's a really amazing place. It's been super quiet. Now it's midweek, and it's just, and every single person is so nice.
We're back in the South.
Yeah.
Parts of Florida, I know Florida's in the South, but it's definitely, parts of it are not the South. And as soon as we got out of Florida, we were in the South, and everybody is so nice, like unbelievably kind. So one thing, that camera's really tilted. Crooked.
Also, this campground, I think it was $22 a night.
Yeah. $500 a month. So.
That's a pretty good deal.
For a full hookup.
Well, it doesn't have sewer.
No sewer, but there's a dump station.
There's a dump station, but water, and got our 30 amp hooked up.
Yeah, got the AC going. One thing I did want to do before we take off today is put a couple of cameras on the bikes. Now, we have GoPros, and I've never actually mounted them like on the handlebars. Like, I have a mount on my helmet that we use sometimes, or we hold it. But we did get a couple mounts. Oh yeah, we've been doing laundry. So we picked these up on Amazon, and we're gonna install those today. They looked pretty.
Whoa, these are like
beefy.
Aluminum.
Yeah.
Wow.
They come with tools.
Okay, no instructions though. So it can be like
yeah,
this.
I think something like that.
And stare at my belly button.
Well, you can adjust this. You could go up or down or whatever.
Ooh,
yeah.
Look at my face.
Look up my nostrils.
So do you want to put them here?
I think so. Do you think?
I think so.
Okay. Okay. Got one camera. And Dave's got a camera. Let's go see if we can climb up these hills. Oops. Okay.
What are you looking at me like that for, pistol?
Good girl.
Oh boy.
Who's the best girl? Yeah, that's you for sure. Oh, oh, there you go. I see it.
She sees it too.
Yeah, okay, that was a little slimy. Okay, here we go. Oh, she's heavy.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground, come the sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
Isn't this beautiful?
So it's just less than 2 miles from the campground to here. 2.1 miles to Prentiss and 8.8 to Bassfield. I don't even know what the town is because this is the 43 mile end and the mile markers start at 1 at another town 43 miles that way. So
we'll hit the grocery store up here.
Yeah, we're just gonna go down, get some groceries.
Pretty proud of myself for making those hills.
Yeah. Look at this, huh?
Yeah, I know George Jones and Gary Sturt, and all them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe, a woman ain't nothing but a thing to me. Burn right through them like a cigarette, or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I give them good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm on.
So this is the end of the trail, or the start of the trail, in Prentiss.
Yeah. Should we hit that grocery store?
There's a Pizza Hut in town too.
I think I'll pass.
Maybe I get some beverages at the grocery store.
I want an orange juice.
Yeah, me too. Orange juice.
I sent Dave in for orange juice and Cheetos and he obliged.
Got
I'm gonna have some now.
Which one do you want? Breakfast
Ooh.
smoothie? Orange juice?
Yeah, I'll have this.
Cheetos?
Yeah, not right now. Thank you. All right. I'm not too sure about climbing those hills back. That's always the worst part. So I'll be super powered.
Charge yourself up.
Yeah.
Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. I'm a honky-tonk star. Lord, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of the car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
Okay, so are you ready to get out? You're a good girl, huh? Yeah, let's see. Yeah. It's exciting. Okay.
He says, I'm hungry.
Oh yeah, it's our lunchtime. We made it back.
That's good. I was super impressed. I mean, it's one of those things, the Katy trails, I know we know it's mostly flat, but you don't know what kind of grades are going to be. But there's nothing going to be like 15% hills over there. So
No.
I'm happy.
I'm happy too. I better get her some food.
We got a batten down camp. Some big rains coming this afternoon.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna hunker down here, and then I guess we'll see you on the other side of that. We're making our way to Missouri. Carry on. Hi, baby. Hi. There you go.
Thanks for watching.
For behind the scenes footage, early access, ad-free content, and other extras, join us over on Patreon.
We have a lot of fun over there.
We do. To find out more, click the link in the description box below.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment below, hit the like button, hit the notification bell.
Do all the things.
Thanks again.
Carry on.